Thinking about copying some kicks from Modkicks? Hold up. Let's take a quick look at whether this site's the real deal or just another online trap. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Modkicks claims to sell trendy sneakers at competitive prices, and their site looks clean, but looks can be deceiving. Over on Trustpilot, the site has a 2.2-star rating based on just a handful of reviews, and most of them aren't great. A lot of Reddit users have been calling it out. Complaints include super long shipping times, sketchy customer service, and some even claim they never got their shoes at all. Plus, the return policy, not very reassuring. Modkicks isn't the worst site out there, but it's not very trustworthy either. If you're thinking about ordering, just know you're taking a risk, especially when it comes to getting authentic products and on time delivery. Tried Modkicks before? Drop your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more no BS reviews.